In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in Runway ML. Runway ML is a powerful platform that harnesses machine learning to transform your creative process, and today we're going to simplify the task of image editing for you. Let's dive right in. To get started, first navigate to your dashboard in Runway AI. This is your starting point for all projects and tools, so you'll see it when you log in. It's where you get an overview of your current and past projects and allows you to jump into your work quickly. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you're comfortable, it's time to move on. Next, click on Start a Session. This option allows you to initiate a new work session where you'll have access to a wide range of tools and features that Runway ML offers. Starting a session might take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't load instantly. Once you're in, you should be ready for the next step. Now find and click on the Image option. This step is crucial because it leads you to a specific suite of tools tailored towards image manipulation and enhancement. Whether you're looking to tweak details or make major transformations, selecting Image will set you on the right path. With the Image tool open, look for the Upload button and click it. This functionality allows you to bring in images from your device that you're planning to edit. If you haven't selected your desired image yet, take a moment to choose one that you're excited to work on. Once you've picked an image, go ahead and upload it. Upload the image of your choice. Simply click on the file you want and confirm. It helps to make sure the image file is clear and of high resolution to get the best results from the editing process. Now your image is ready and you can see it displayed on your screen. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to get creative with it. You'll need to type in a prompt describing what you want to do to the image. This prompt is crucial as it guides Runway ML in understanding your intentions for the edit. Be as clear and specific as possible. For example, make the sky brighter or add a vintage filter. Finally, click on the Generate button. This is where the magic happens. Runway ML takes your prompt and processes the image, leveraging advanced AI capabilities to deliver results. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and the size of the image, this might take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see the freshly edited image right before your eyes. So there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to edit images using Runway ML. Remember to experiment with different prompts and see the diverse creative possibilities this tool can offer. Thank you for watching and happy editing.